At sunrise, the world awakens with a chorus. Every songbird, every fluttering wing adds its note to the symphony of life. But scientists have begun to wonder, what if this music of nature isn't just for our ears? What if birds, in their songs, are broadcasting, not just sound, but information, frequencies that travel beyond hearing? Imagine the sky as a living network, each bird a transmitter, each note a message in an invisible code. Maybe somewhere between the chirp and the static, the earth itself is speaking, and we're only now learning how to listen.